All right, y'all, here I got my trusty old dolly, but I was moving a fridge and my wheel broke. So, picked myself up one of the Sunbelt 7-inch plastic wheels. These are gonna work for dollies, lawnmowers, everything. And that's the nice thing about this old style, is that there is a ton of compatibility. So, I'm going to attempt to not break this collapsible lock washer while I ease this guy off. And, all right, sweet, we didn't break it. So, just pop the old one off. And yeah, this one, we can see that this is virtually the same as the old one, minus a little aesthetic difference. And that's the nice thing about these, is this design has been around for so long that there's not a whole lot of difference that needs to be made. So, we'll stick our new one on. Spins freely, doesn't wobble a bunch, and we're ready to rock. So, if you need to get yourself a new wheel for your dolly, for your lawnmower, or whatever else that you need that utilizes a 7-inch wheel, this one from Sunbelt is the way to go.